I got into programming basically because of a mistake. I had to decide what to do when I got my student exam, my high school exam, and I decided history was a great thing to study, but it was a lousy career and it could be a good hobby, so I picked mathematics. But studying mathematics, I wanted to do something practical, something that had some appeal beyond pure math. And so I signed up with what in Denmark was called mathematics with datalogi. Datalogi is Danish word for computer science. I didn't know that. I thought it was a branch of applied math. So I was signed up for this, and then I discovered two things. One, that I wasn't as good at math as I thought I was, which happens to most math students. And that programming was really fun, machine architecture was really fun, and well, took it from there. It all started with sort of an ignorant student picking something he didn't know what it was.